Good evening, one and all present here. Respected Chairman, Sir, Mr. Maruti Gaikar, Sir, all my fellow principals, I extend my heartfelt welcome to each one of you. Respected Principal of all section, Mrs. Priya Kalambe from SMG Dombivli, Mr. Mukesh Pandey, Sir, Principal of Secondary Section and Junior College, Mr. Anant Dhadve, Sir, Principal of Marathi Medium, Mrs. Sanika Sarpole, Ma'am, Principal of Secondary Section, Marathi Medium, Vice Principal of Secondary Section, Mrs. Saroj Kaude, Madam, and Mrs. Chanda Gyanchandani, Principal of Pre-Primary Sections, SMG Kids. I warmly welcome you all today for this gathering. It is indeed a moment of great pride and joy to welcome you all for this annual day celebration of our students of standard 5th to 7th, themed Gita Mritam, the timeless wisdom. The Bhagavad Gita is not merely a sacred scripture. It is a true friend, a mitra that guides humanity to every challenge of life. Its wisdom is timeless, relevant even today, teaching us self-reflection, balance of mind, detachment, duty, and surrender through righteous action. These values are not taught in isolation. They are lived daily through our curriculum, activity, and school culture. I am pleased to share that our school was recently evaluated by the SCOF Central Level Assessment Team. The team closely observed our academic process, teaching methodology, assessment system, infrastructure, and students' well-being practices. I am proud to state that our school fully adheres to the NCF framework following child-centric and experiential pedagogy, competency-based learning outcome, continuous and comprehensive assessment, integration of life skill and value education. As we reflect upon the academic year gone by, I am happy to share that this year has been filled with learning, growth, achievement, and purposeful initiative. Our students has demonstrated commendable academic excellence, and I take immense pride to acknowledging our SSC toppers whose hard work, discipline, and perseverance have brought honor to the school. Academically, this year has been exceptional. In SSC Board examination Feb-March 2025, total number of students appeared 316 and all passed, begging 100% result for our school. Out of which 162 students were into distinction, first class 132 students and second class 22 students. A special mention to our achiever. First rank, Ms. Jadhav Vidhi Satish secured 95.60%. Second rank, Ms. Sutar Hetal Sohanlal secured 95.40%. And third rank, Master Hirnayak Mayur Sunil, he secured 94.80%. Additionally, 22 students scoring 90% and above was felicitated with a check of rupees 7,000 as a scholarship, each under the Vinayak Damodar Savarkar Scholarship Scheme on 15th August 2025 by our school management. Along with this, several of our students have also been qualified for prestigious scholarship exam, proving the consistent effort and guided preparation always bear fruit. Academic learning was further strengthened to innovative initiatives such as Maths Marathon, which encourages logical thinking, speed, accuracy, and confidence among the students, making mathematics enjoyable and engaging. Alongside academics, sports remain an integral part towards discipline and resilience. Our students actively participated in DSO game, showcasing their sportsmanship, discipline, and resilience. Their achievement remind us of the teaching of Gita that success comes through dedication and focused effort. Behind every successful student stands a dedicated teacher. This year, our educators actively participated in teachers' capacity building program, workshops and training sessions to enhance their professional skill, adopt innovative teaching methodology, and better understanding the evolving need of the learners. We firmly believe that when teachers grow, students flourish. Keeping in mind the demand of the modern world, our school has taken a significant step toward a holistic and skill-based education. We have successfully implemented life skill education, enabling students to develop emotional intelligence, decision-making ability, and confidence. The introduction of robotics has opened the experiential learning creativity and technology understanding. Furthermore, our UCA curriculum of Standard 7 prepared students to face a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world with adaptability, critical thinking, and leadership. True education, however, is not limited to intellect alone. It nurtures the mind and soul as well. In alignment with teaching of Gita, we begin each day with energetic morning session from Monday to Saturday. Monday begins with laughter exercise to release stress, followed by meditation on Tuesday to calm their mind, affirmation sentences on Wednesday build self-belief, while thoughtful reflection, breathing exercises, and value-based activities throughout the week ensures the emotional balance and mental well-being of our students. To help students regain their focus after the recess, soothing music is played, creating a calm transition back to learning. Dear parents and teachers, the Gita reminds us that children learn not only through instruction, but through examples. Your guidance, encouragement, and values play a vital role in shaping responsible, confident, and compassionate individual. So let us continue to walk together on this journey, nurturing our children with wisdom, patience, and purpose. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to our school management for their constant support, to our dedicated teachers for their unwavering commitment, to our parents for their trust in us, and to our students who are the true embodiment and hope and potential. As we celebrate today, let us carry forward the message of Gita Mitram to perform our duties with sincerity, remain balanced in success and failure, and walk the path of righteousness with courage and compassion. May the timeless wisdom of Gita continue to guide our students towards a meaningful and enlightening future. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful evening. Jai Hind.